Instead of throwing away eggshells, create something unique. Start gluing them together using a hot glue gun. Arrange them around a bowl, working carefully so they don't break. Repeat the process until you form a full, stable circle. Once the base is ready and completely dry, take a stiff brush and some black paint. Apply a small amount of paint to the bristles, then gently run your finger across them so the paint splatters onto the shells. This creates fine, irregular speckles that add character and depth. Finally, decorate the finished wreath with flowers of your choice. You can use either fresh or artificial ones. Add details to match your style and interior. The finished Easter wreath will be a unique and eye-catching decoration that will definitely impress your guests. It looks like a handmade piece straight from a professional studio. Press the foam into the egg container. Do this on one side of the box and spread it evenly. Now add food coloring in your chosen colors, creating colorful spots. Then, take a long toothpick and gently swirl the colors. Mix carefully so the colors merge, but don't fully blend together. Dip the egg into the colorful foam. Slowly turn it, making sure the entire surface is covered. Set it aside for a few minutes to let the colors set. After a while, rinse the egg under cool water. Look at how beautiful it is. These eggs will be perfect for your holiday table, a quick and effective way to dye eggs. Get the kids involved in this creative fun. Easter snacks from the oven. I make them on my son's birthday hat. Cut puff pastry into thin strips and gently shape them into small rolls with your hands. This is a crucial step, so stay alert. Prepare a paper cone and tear off a larger piece of aluminum foil. Carefully wrap the cone in foil, pressing it to ensure it's stable. Now wrap the dough around the cones, layering it evenly so the pastry bakes well. Then, whisk an egg and brush it over the prepared dough. Bake in the oven for about 15 minutes. To prepare the creamy, delicious filling, mix cream cheese with finely chopped smoked salmon and fresh dill. You can also season it to taste. Once the dough cools, fill it with the prepared mixture, carefully squeezing it into the center of the cones. Finally, decorate each serving with fresh dill to give the snacks a spring carrot look. These Easter treats will impress not only with their appearance, but also with their unique flavor. They're a must-have on the holiday table. I guarantee everyone will ask for the recipe. Be sure to try it. I came across this brilliant recipe thanks to a friend, and ever since I've been making these goodies for every Easter family gathering. These homemade treats don't just look amazing, they're surprisingly simple to make. You'll have them ready in just 5 minutes. Here's the secret. You'll need a big plate full of colorful sprinkles and a few Easter-themed cookie cutters. Place the cutters right on top of the sprinkles. Next, prepare a small pot with water and place a glass bowl over it. Crush a few bars of white chocolate and add them to the bowl. Melt the chocolate using a water bath, then pour it into a piping or confectionery sleeve. Carefully fill each cookie cutter about 1/3 of the way. Let them chill for a couple of hours and you're done. The chocolates come out glossy, beautiful, and look store-bought, but they taste even better. Bonus, it's a perfect activity for kids with zero mess involved. This little trick has become my go-to for small gifts, Easter games, and table decorations. And when someone asks where you bought them, just smile and say, I made them myself. This appetizer makes guests reach for seconds right away. Spread mayonnaise over the puff pastry around a bowl. It adds moisture and helps bind the layers. Prepare 10 hard-boiled eggs, a great source of protein and the base of the filling. Grate the eggs so the mixture becomes delicate and perfectly creamy. Add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese for a velvety texture, then sprinkle in fresh dill for a fragrant touch. Add diced feta to enhance the flavor and bring a pleasant saltiness. Pour in a small splash of pickle juice to balance the taste. Season with salt and pepper and mix thoroughly so everything combines well. Spread the finished egg mixture evenly over the mayonnaise. Shape the pastry into a ring, remove the bowl, and cut the dough with a pizza cutter to form triangles. Fold the triangles over the filling, closing the ring and creating an eye-catching shape. Bake in a preheated oven at 365 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until beautifully golden. the finished Easter ring delights with crisp pastry, a creamy center, and a bold, lightly salty flavor that fits perfectly on the holiday table. It is a stunning and delicious appetizer that disappears from plates in moments. This Easter trick is a must-know. Take a zip-top bag and pour in some dry rice, just enough to cover the bottom. Then add a few drops of food coloring in your chosen color. Seal the bag and knead and shake it thoroughly until the rice is evenly colored and no white grains are visible. Once the rice is ready, place a boiled egg inside, seal the bag again, and gently move it around, rolling the egg in the colored rice. This creates a unique, decorative effect without using a brush. It's a simple DIY Easter egg idea you can do in just a few minutes. You can also lightly press the bag with your hands to help the color transfer better onto the shell. Finally, take the egg out and set it aside to dry. Once dry, they look beautiful and make a perfect decoration for your Easter table. It's a great way to dye eggs without the mess, if you don't want to stain your hands or your entire kitchen. No Easter is complete without these eggs. You can prepare them in just 15 minutes. Start by peeling an onion, then cut the skins into smaller pieces with scissors so they release more color. Also, cut a piece of white paper and mix it thoroughly with the skins to create a beautiful marbled effect, perfect for Easter eggs. Pour some vinegar into a bowl. Dip each egg in the vinegar first, then coat it evenly in the prepared mixture and wrap it in gauze, making sure everything is distributed evenly. Place the prepared eggs into a pot. Add a handful of onion skins, hibiscus tea, about 17 fluid ounces of water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Boil for 10 minutes, then leave the eggs in the liquid for another 30 minutes to deepen the color. This is a simple way to naturally dye eggs and achieve a truly unique marbled effect. Then transfer the eggs into clean water for a few minutes to stop the coloring process. Remove the gauze, gently clean off any residue, and finally rub them with vegetable oil to give them a beautiful shine. This way you get unique Easter egg patterns that will catch everyone's attention. Cut a small slice off the side of an egg and cut a triangle out of it. Make a small slit on one side of the egg and insert the cut-out ears. On the other side, gently cut the back of the egg and place the triangle there as a tail. Stick 2 cloves into the front to create the eyes. A simple and quick way to make an Easter bunny for your holiday table.